So you missed some time from work because of an injury, and when you went back to work, you had a note from your doctor that had restrictions on it, such as how long you can stand or how much you can lift. What are the employer's obligations in this matter? Well, first of all, there's no such thing as a 100% rule. Your employer can't tell you you need to be 100% healthy to work. So what are they required to do? Well, they're supposed to engage in an interactive process with you to determine reasonable accommodations. They're supposed to sit down with you and figure out a way that you can still do your job with some adjustments that are reasonable based on the size of the company and the type of job. For example, they could provide a cart to carry heavy tools on if you needed that. Or a second person could help you lift something if the lifting doesn't happen often and a second person is readily available. They could allow you to sit down at a checkout register if you need to sit occasionally. Or provide a voice recognition program for a person who's legally blind. If none of those things work, maybe you just need an extra few weeks to finish your recovery. That could also be a reasonable accommodation, even if you're past FMLA leave time. This is just a few examples, but there are hundreds of ways an employer can accommodate an employee, and it's only limited by your imagination. Now, if they can't accommodate you, they are required to give you any available job that you qualify for that would not be considered a higher position. So make sure you ask them, what jobs are available? It doesn't matter if you're the best candidate, as long as you meet the minimum qualifications and can do the job with reasonable accommodation, they must give you the job. So find out what those jobs are. Make sure any communications you have with them are in writing, and you keep a copy of that. If you have a phone call or a conversation orally, then follow it up with an email. You want to be able to prove that you asked for these accommodations. And you know what? It'd be a good idea to get an attorney involved as early as possible. Thank you.